Alright, quick word about this bearing press tool that I made. So Harbor Freight sells a kit of these tapered bearing press plates, which are phenomenal. And you can see sort of the setup. 2 washers, there's grease in between them just to keep everything free and spinning. Quick word about washers is they're stamped, and there is a sharp side and a rounded side. Usually you can see the difference between the two here. One edge is super sharp on the top, the bottom edge is rolled, so I put the 2 rolled edges together just to essentially turn them into flat bearings. Down here I had to modify this one because in order to press this all the way up, I needed to clearance it for the bore diameter and then also put a slightly different taper on it for the bearing race angle. So I use a coupling nut because it's got a lot of thread engagement. It's threaded all the way through, so you're not putting all the stresses, not that there should be much, but you're not putting all the stresses on just a few threads like a regular nut would. See how this nut is much smaller? And then I always jam 2 nuts together. This is a nylock nut and just a regular hex nut. And I jam and impact those together so that that's the fixed end. Because you can't get bolts this long, or you could, but they're extraordinarily expensive. So this is basically a custom tool to pull those bearing races up into the neck without using a hammer and pounding it all up. It worked a treat. And my new tapered roller bearing seats are installed. So now it's time to pack the bearings and put the lower tree on. And then I'll be on my way. Thanks for watching.